Welcome to the Liene Upcycle channel. This spring, let's give old boxes a new life. In this DIY video, we'll show you how to transform an old shoebox into a stylish storage and gift box using your PixCut S1. First, we wrap the boxes with decorative paper to give it a fresh new look. There we go. Our shoebox is nicely wrapped and ready for the next step. In the Liene photo app library, the Liene Bloom section is full of free spring-inspired designs. Take a look and choose your stickers for spring-themed storage labeling. Just place your designs on the canvas, resize them if needed, and tap Make It. The PixCut S1 features an all-in-one print and cut function, allowing you to print and cut in a single step. So you will get perfectly shaped stickers in seconds. All our stickers are done and laid out, ready to decorate the boxes. Now it's time to decorate with these spring stickers. Just peel them off carefully. Then stick them onto the box and arrange them however you like. Then we put the items we want to store into the box. We use stickers to decorate the inside of the shipping box, so opening it feels like a little surprise. Let's put the gifts inside the box. Look around your home for unused boxes, unleash your creativity, and join the Liene Upcycle project.